Today, you are going to master the difference between hold and keep completely. We will teach you everything you need to know, from the basic rules to advanced idioms.
And make sure to stay with us until the very end because we have a huge interactive quiz and a speaking practice session that will really help you improve.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Learning Podcast, and welcome to our warm and friendly community. I am Sara.
And I am Jack. We are so happy to see you again. If this is your first time here, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.
Your support is amazing, and it helps us create more long, detailed lessons for you in the future.
So, Sara, today we have a big topic, a topic that confuses almost every single student I've ever met: hold versus keep.
Yes, in many languages, these two words are the same word, but in English, they are very different. If you use the wrong one, it can sound funny or even confusing.
Exactly. For example, if you say, "Can you keep my bag for a second?" it means something totally different from "Can you hold my bag for a second?"
Today, we are going to fix this problem forever. We will go slowly, step by step. Are you ready, Jack?
I am ready. Let's start with the most important rule, the golden rule.
We call this the hand versus house rule. Let me explain. Think about the word hold.
When we say hold, we are talking about your hands. It is a physical action. You use your fingers, your arms, or your body to support something.
And most importantly, hold is temporary. It is for a short time, maybe 5 seconds, maybe 5 minutes, but not forever.
Let me give you a clear example. Imagine I have a heavy box. I need to open the door. I ask Sara, "Can you hold this box for me?"
I take the box in my hands. I wait for Jack to open the door. Then I give it back to him. I was holding the box. I did not own the box. It was just for a moment.
Exactly. Now let's look at keep. Think about the word keep as possession. Think about your house, your pocket, or your bank account.
Keep implies ownership. It means you have something for a long time. You don't give it back immediately. It is yours to protect.
So, if I give Sara a beautiful pen and I say, "Sara, you can keep this pen," what does that mean?
It means it is a gift. Thank you, Jack. I will put it in my bag. I will take it home. I will use it every day. I am keeping it.
See the difference? Hold the pen means hold it while I write something else. Keep the pen means it is yours now.
Let's try another example. Imagine a baby. This is a cute example. If I ask you, do you want to hold the baby?
I would say yes. I take the baby in my arms. I rock the baby gently for a few minutes. That is holding.
But if I say, do you want to keep the baby?
Whoa, that is a big responsibility. That means I take the baby home and become the father. That is keeping.
So please be careful with babies. Usually, you just want to hold them, not keep them.
Now that we understand the basic physical difference, let's talk about storage. This is super useful for describing your home.
When we talk about where objects live in our house, we always use keep. We never use hold.
Right. We don't ask, "Where do you hold the milk?" We ask, "Where do you keep the milk?"
Because the milk lives in the fridge. It is there for a long time. It is not in your hands.
So, Sara, let's talk about your kitchen. Where do you keep your coffee mugs?
I keep my coffee mugs in the cupboard above the sink. Where do you keep your forks and spoons?
I keep them in a drawer next to the oven. And what about your clothes? Where do you keep your socks?
I keep my socks in a drawer in my bedroom, and I keep my coats in the closet near the door. Listeners, think about your own house right now. Where do you keep your toothbrush? Where do you keep your shoes? Practice saying the sentence, I keep my shoes near the door. Okay, let's move to the next category. This is about telephones and waiting. This is very common in business English.
If you call a company or if you call a friend, sometimes they need you to wait. They will use the word hold.
They might say, "Can you hold on a second?" or "Please hold the line."
This essentially means don't hang up the phone. Wait there. I will be right back.
We also use hold on in real life, not just on the phone. If Jack is walking very fast and I cannot catch him, I shout, "Jack, hold on, wait for me."
Yes, hold on is a great phrasal verb. It simply means wait. But we never say keep on for waiting. Keep on means something else entirely. Keep on means continue.
That is a good distinction. Hold on means stop and wait. Keep on means continue and go. Very different.
Now let's talk about states and emotions. This is a huge category for the word keep.
When we want to stay in a specific condition or maintain a feeling, we use keep. We almost never use hold for this.
Think about temperature. In the winter, you want your house to be warm, so you close the windows to keep the heat inside. You want to keep the room warm.
And in the summer, you drink iced tea to keep cool.
What about secrets? This is about information. If I tell you a secret, do you hold it or keep it?
I keep it. Keep a secret. This means I store the information safely in my brain and I don't let it out.
And promises?
We keep promises. If you say you will do something, you must do it. You keep your word.
What about emotions? If someone is very stressed and shouting, what do you tell them?
I tell them, "Please keep calm."
Exactly. Keep calm, keep smiling, keep happy. We use keep for all of these states.
There is one small exception. Sometimes we use hold for physical body control. For example, hold your breath.
Right, like when you go underwater in a swimming pool, you hold your breath. But that is physical. For emotions, always use keep.
Okay, Jack, I think it is time for some idioms. I love idioms because they make you sound like a native speaker immediately.
Me too. Let's teach them 4 very common idioms with hold and keep. The first one is hold your horses.
I love this one. Hold your horses. Does it mean I actually have horses?
No, it's just a funny expression. It means wait a minute, be patient, don't rush.
So if I am rushing you to finish this video, you can say, "Sara, hold your horses. We have time."
Exactly. The second idiom is keep in touch. We use this all the time when saying goodbye.
Keep in touch means stay connected. Send me a message. Call me. Don't forget me.
The third idiom is keep an eye on. This is very useful.
Keep an eye on means watch something carefully, protect it. For example, if I'm at a cafe and I need to go to the bathroom, I can ask Jack, "Can you keep an eye on my laptop?"
And I'll say, sure, I'll watch it. And the last idiom is hold your tongue.
Ooh, that sounds painful. Hold your tongue. It means be quiet. Don't say what you want to say.
Imagine you are angry at your boss. You want to shout, but you shouldn't. You should hold your tongue.
Okay, those are the rules. Now, to help you remember everything, we're going to do 3 role plays, 3 short stories.
Story number 1. We are at the airport. We're checking in for a flight. Listen for hold and keep.
Okay, Jack, we're next. Do you have the passports?
Yes, I'm holding them right here. I was holding them for 10 minutes. Here you go.
Great. Can you hold my coffee for a second? I need to find my boarding pass on my phone.
Sure. Wow, this cup is hot. I can't hold it for long. Hurry up.
Hold on. My phone is slow. Okay, I found it. You can give me the coffee back.
Here. By the way, where should we keep the boarding passes? In your bag or my pocket?
Let's keep them in your pocket. It is safer. But please keep an eye on the suitcases. There are a lot of people here.
Don't worry, I am watching them. Oh, look, the duty-free shop. I want to buy chocolate.
Jack, we are late. Hold your horses. We can buy chocolate later. Keep walking to the gate.
Okay, I will keep calm. Let's go.
Did you hear the examples? Holding the passports in his hand, keeping the passes in his pocket, keeping an eye on the suitcase, holding horses.
Now, story number 2. This is a phone conversation. I am calling Sara.
Ring, ring. Hello?
Hi, Sara. It's Jack. I have a question about the project.
Oh, hi, Jack. I'm actually in a meeting right now. Can you hold on a minute?
Sure, I can hold.
Okay, I stepped out of the room. I can talk now, but I can't keep talking for long. What is it?
I just wanted to know where you keep the files for the new client.
I keep them in the blue folder on my desk.
Okay, great. I will go get them. Sorry to disturb you.
No problem. I have to go back now. Keep in touch later. Bye.
Bye.
That was a good example of business English. Hold on for waiting. Keep the files for storage. Keep talking for continuing an action.
Now, story number 3. Moving house. We are carrying heavy boxes.
Phew. Jack, this box is so heavy. Can you hold the door open for me?
Yes, I am holding it. Go inside quickly.
Okay, put it down. Whew. Now, look at this old lamp. Do we want to keep it or throw it away?
I want to keep it. My grandmother gave it to me. It is special.
But it is broken. Why do you keep broken things?
I promised her I would keep it safe. I want to keep my promise.
Fine, but where will we keep it? The living room is full.
We can keep it in the garage for now. Here, hold this lamp. I need to move the table.
Okay, I'm holding it, but please hurry. It is dusty.
Hold on, I'm almost done. Okay, you can put it down.
Great job. Those were 3 very clear examples.
Now we want to help your pronunciation. We're going to do a listen and repeat session.
We will say a sentence, then we will be silent for a few seconds. We want you to say the sentence out loud. Don't be shy. Speak to the screen.
Sentence number 1. Can you hold this for a second?
Can you hold this for a second? Where do you keep the milk? Where do you keep the milk?
Please hold on. Please hold on.
Can you keep a secret? Can you keep a secret?
Hold your horses. Hold your horses.
Let's keep in touch. Let's keep in touch.
Excellent work. Your pronunciation is getting better every day.
Now we have a mega quiz to test your brain. We have 10 questions. I will give you a situation, and you have to choose hold or keep.
Question number 1. You are at a bank. You have gold bars. You put them in a safe deposit box. Do you hold the gold there or keep the gold there? The answer is keep, because it is storage and possession.
Question number 2. Your friend hands you a baby to support for just 1 minute while she finds her keys. Do you keep the baby or hold the baby? The answer is hold the baby. It is temporary and physical.
Question number 3. You are on the telephone. You want the person to wait. Do you say keep on or hold on? The answer is hold on.
Question number 4. It is winter. You wear a thick coat. Does the coat hold you warm or keep you warm? The answer is keep you warm. It maintains your state.
Question number 5. You are angry. You want to stop speaking. Do you keep your tongue or hold your tongue? The answer is hold your tongue. This is the idiom for being quiet.
Question number 6. You are leaving your friend. You want to send emails later. Do you hold in touch or keep in touch? The answer is keep in touch.
Question number 7. Someone is running too fast. You tell them to wait. Do you say keep your horses or hold your horses? The answer is hold your horses.
Question number 8. You promise your mother you will call her. You must keep your promise.
Question number 9. You are walking down the street and someone says wait. Do they say keep on or hold on? They say hold on.
Question number 10. Where does the ketchup live in your house? Where do you keep the ketchup?
Wow, we covered so much today. We learned about hands versus house. We learned about storage. We learned about phone calls. And we learned some funny idioms.
You guys did a fantastic job listening to this long lesson. I am so proud of you.
Now we have a challenge for you. Homework time.
In the comments below, please write 2 sentences. 1 sentence with hold and 1 sentence with keep.
For example, you can write, I hold my phone in my hand. I keep my photos in my phone.
Write your sentences now. We read every single comment and we will give you a heart.
Thank you for learning with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Keep smiling and see you next time.
Bye, everyone.